Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the linked list or sometimes also called a linked list. Let's see what is linked list. See, linked list and array are little bit similar, but it having lots of difference. Like array are mostly use a static declaration, but in the linked list we are using the dynamic. Array and linked list both store the information in sequential way. But in array, elements are in continuous memory location, but in linked list, elements are in different. Maybe memory location is not continuous. It may be a different in different location. So linked list basically used for like a tree type structure, graph type structure, or we can also use for stack and queue. These are some application where we can use the linked list. So linked list nothing but it is a collection of nodes. A node contains the two things is a node. A node mainly contain the two things. One is a data part and next is a pointer part. So pointer part sometimes called next, or sometimes it's called link something. You can call next or link something because it hold the address. So see, node contain a data part which may be any kind of data types like integer, character, float, or something other, and p is a kind of pointer. So node is nothing but it is a structured data type. Structure, it means it contains the heterogeneous variables. So it contains the two things, one is a data and another is a pointer part. And when we are talking about a linked list types, so we can say it is a simply linked list. And simply we can say we have like nodes like this, and starting node of a linked list pointed by the pointer. It may be you can name it like start, or you can name it like begin, or you can name according to your requirement. Apart from that, we are having doubly linked list. In doubly linked list, we are having two pointers. One is a forward pointers and one is a backward pointers. And in between we having the data parts. So the node contain the three things: data part, next pointer, and previous point. Data part, next pointer, and so what does the previous pointer do? Previous pointer contains the address of previous node, while the next pointer contains the address of next node. Similarly, a circular linked list. In circular linked list, suppose there are a node like this, and the last node, not here, the last node next part contain the null value. It means not specify or nothing. But here in the circular linked list, suppose it is a starting node, start is pointing over here, or beginning, we can also. So the last node pointing the first node. So it is known as a circular linked list. So it is some popular types of linked list. Maybe some other kind possible as per the requirements, but these three are mainly used linked list types. Now operations. When we are talking about the linked list operation, there are some basic operation like insertion. Then apart from insertion, we having deletion. Then traveling or traversal. Then we can say display. You can also insert like node creation. We can also make operation like node. When we are inserting, so inserting again contains some kinds like insert at start, insert at end, insert at a specific location. Similarly, we can say deletion contain also three types: deletion at start, deletion at end, and deletion at specific location. Traverser or traversing, it means we are traveling from first node to the last node. And display, it means we are going to display each and every data part in the linked list. So these are basic kinds of linked list. So what is a linked list? Linked list is nothing but it is a collection of nodes, and node is a struct data type. And the structure of this node is also known as a self-referencing structure, because we are going to create a pointer which pointing a node itself. Apart from that, there are some important questions you can maybe exercise at your home. That is, what do you mean by array? What do you mean by linked list? And what kinds of difference between linked list and array? So I hope you understand what do you mean by linked list. In the next class, we will going to perform some practical about these all operations and the kind of link. Thank you very much.